Isn't this pretty? I wish I were on a date right now, but I'm not. I'm watching this pretty full sight by myself. I don't even know if you can see. Rocks at the bottom. I wish there were fish. And I wish I will not drop my phone in here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love smartphones. I can do so much with these things. Isn't this so pretty? It's really beautiful. This one thing remains. Yes, I'm just making a random video. And look, more flowers. Isn't this awesome? And their children, the flowers. This is awesome. I do not mean to photograph your children. I am just, yes. Excuse me for photographing your children. I don't mean to. Ah. And look at the pretty purple. It's pretty, isn't it? Here's the fountain again from another view. I'm so bored right now. Oh, more flowers. Oh, more flowers. Aren't these pretty? I hope you can see the red. Yay! It's like I'm showing you National Geographic firsthand. Oh. Isn't this awesome? You guys get to see nature. It's like Brother Bear. Take a look through my eyes. Anyway, I'm gonna stop being a geek now. Yay! More red. I hope you've enjoyed my filming. This is what I'm doing this Saturday afternoon, evening-ish stuff. Came to do my hair, that didn't go well, so figured I'd show you flowers. Yay! Well, that's the end of my flower exhibition. I hope you stay tuned. Oh, you know something? There is a pretty bush of a lot of flowers of roses. I think they're roses. So you get to, this is so cool. You are going to be so happy. You get like seeing nature happen right here. I do not mean to film these kids. I'm just happening to, you know, it's like nature. If I say that one more time. Oh, I wish I were not so awkward, but what to do? It seems there's not going to be any kind of change in that anytime soon. But here are some more flowers. There's some that are dead, sadly so. Some purple ones that are dead. But look at these little pretty little purple ones. Aren't these lovely? Those are the dead ones. Summer he killed them off. It's really sad. Really. But that's okay. You see the pretty yellow? I love this phone because the color is just so high def. This is why Samsung rocks my socks all the way to the ground. Look at the really, really pretty pink. Yep. I hope you're enjoying my nature shoot. This is so much fun. Aren't these pretty? These are really pretty. Should I become a nature documentarist? Is that a word? Is that a word? Documentarist? I should not call myself an English major. I suck at English. Oh, say flowers in Hangul, or else I would say that they're very pretty. But I only know how to say that they're pretty. I don't know what it's called in Hangul. And Hangul is Korean, by the way. I'm really excited that I get to show you guys what I'm doing today. I'm also so very bored and have nothing to do. And these are basically the same flowers, just at different stations. I wish my aunt would come now, and then we could take me home. But until then, you guys get to see this awesome video. Oh, you know what? I should upload this to YouTube. I should totally upload this to YouTube. Isn't this pretty? I don't even know how I would do that because I'm not a computer person, but oh, look at this other fountain over here. This is so pretty. I wonder if I got that. There we go. Ah, is it focused? Look at the water. Pretty water. I don't know if I can send this in a text message, because I'd love to send this whole video in a text message. But I don't know if I can. This is so cool. I think it's focused on the fountain. Yay, water, nature. I should very much be a documentarist of nature. A documenter, I guess is the word I'm looking for, of nature. See the pretty flowers coming into view? These are the ones I was talking about. All along the row. Only red. Oh, you should see my hair. But you won't, because that's not a part of the nature. And it's not part of beauty. Well, not right now. Anyways, but until then, look at these pretty flowers. All along the line. I'm pretty sure people think I'm awkward at this moment as I'm doing this. Isn't this cool? I wish I could have gotten like a bee pollinating a flower. I would definitely be hired by National Geographic. I think I have potential. This is really awesome. And in the mist. I love how there are cars going by. If I like accidentally videotape a crime and then they'll like come after me, you know, and then it'll be like one of those action movies, and then I'll become enemy of the state or the fugitive or something like that. Only I wouldn't be a fugitive because I didn't do anything wrong. That's not what their files will say. Pretty flowers. I am so done with this. Ooh, white flowers. Craziness. I'd like to go home now. Okay, so I've been showing you guys only like flowers. Let's go show you some greenery. Some photosynthetic parts of trees. Please do not jump. You guys see that? Please do not jump or enter a stream, because you will slip and fall, and we will not be responsible for that. That part they didn't put in there. But these are the photosynthetic parts of plants life. These are the ones that do not produce flowers. I forgot what they were called in their scientific name. But yes, only greenery. Oh, and I believe that's a fern. I think these are ferns. Yay, blow, fern, blow. Oh, and do you see the budding on these? Budding, budding, budding. Did you know that a fruit is an ovary of a plant matured? Do you know there are no such things as vegetables? Oh, look. Birds. It's a great movie, by the way. If you ever want to scare yourself, pantsless. It's a great movie. I think these are crows. Either crows or ravens. Look at the beautiful black / purple / blue of the feather. You can't see that really because it's not that close, but... Oh, look! Nature! It flew away. Look at the other one. Oh. Oh, it flew away. This is so cool. I want to go home. This is so random. Why am I still here? It's really windy. I want to go home and eat because I'm hungry. Oh, let me show you some of the stores that we have in this place. I don't know if I'll be able to catch them all. There's a Container Store. I think that says Teasy's Attic. And there's a Bang. And there's Texas A&M. And if you live in, where am I? South Arlington? Yeah, I think so. You'll know where this is. Ooh, ooh, there's a bird bathing? Oh, I missed it. I flew away. The bird was bathing. I definitely would have gotten hired by National Geographic had I taken that. You know, I missed my opportunity. Sad things. This is probably running my battery down so much. Reach into your room, and feel the gentle touch. All hope is gone. You know a sad song says so much. Sad songs they say. Sad songs they say so much. So turn them on, turn them on, turn on those sad songs. All hope is gone. Oh my gosh. Why don't you tune in and turn them? It's another little waterfall. Isn't it pretty? I don't know what song's about waterfall. Unless I'd sing it or something. But no, that's not gonna happen. I wish Barney had taught me one. I'm pretty sure he has one, but I was probably not in the country then. You know, being an African and all. Yep, that's how it goes. Here's some